Today we celebrate Thursday of the third week of Lent. The gospel for today from Luke speaks about unity, or the consequences of disunity in this case. Unity is one of the four marks of the church. When we recite the Apostles' Creed, we profess that the church that Jesus founded is one, holy, Catholic, and apostolic. Today's gospel passage speaks about, in a general sense, of unity in an intriguing way, yet also in a way that we can apply to the life of the church. Jesus' words today are intriguing because he directly contrasts his own followers with those who follow Satan. Jesus rhetorically asks, if Satan is divided against himself, how will his kingdom stand? If you've ever pondered the course of salvation history, you might have been puzzled over why God has given to Satan such a great reign over mankind. Why does God allow Satan to exist at all, much less have such a sway over human lives in human history? We may not know until the end of time the reasons for God's providential allowances of evil within this world. Nonetheless, Satan and his legions are divided, for it is the very nature of evil and those who serve evil to be self-centered and incapable of any lasting unity. God is one, and those who serve God and sacrifice themselves for his holy will become, by his grace, united to him.